Morning world! Today we've got another unboxing episode to show you, and it comes in this box here. Now you can see it says Orbit Key. This is awesome! So, oh wow, look at it. On the box it also says organization starts here. Yeah, clever organization for better living, I guess. I'm gonna start opening it now while telling you what it is. It is a desk mat from Orbit Key, and this is kind of like a birthday present from a very special friend. I'm very excited to receive this because here's what my desk looks like currently, and yeah, I just wanted a desk mat because I want to get rid of that mouse pad over there and have everything just sit on a desk mat. So let's do a quick unboxing under the new unboxing setup thingy. Alright, let's go, let's do it. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. Let's open it up. I really can't wait. Oh, look at that! Box within a box. Do we not love that? We do. It says here, Orbit Key desk mat. A clever desk mat with built-in organizational features. What? And oh, you gotta love the box. Why? Because let's take a closer look at this box, alright? On one side here, of course, it shows you the picture. This is the product picture of what's inside. Over here, and look at this, look at this. Over here, you've got the Imperial logo, the Imperial thing, and look at that, that's Vader's saber. Gotta love that. And it shows you, you know, the top part you can actually put in, you put your stationery over there. I was about to say utensils, what the hell. You can open up this as well as a little flap and you put your documents in there. And there's also even a cable organizer thing here as well. And over here it says it's a Red Dot winner 2021. Create a clutter-free zone, toolbar to keep work essentials organized, document hideaway, magnetic cable holder, and crafted premium vegan leather. Oh. What's the difference between vegan leather and non-vegan leather? I wonder. But yeah, let's get that opened up. On this end, what do we have? Is there a user manual for a desk guide? But wow, look at this. Check it out. It's Vader, and I'm pretty sure that says something. I don't know. I can't read that. And it says here, this dark side inspired limited edition desk mat pays homage to the commanding silhouette that is Darth Vader with an all-black vegan leather service. The black magnetic cable holder is inspired by his imposing armor, while a debossed red lightsaber motif within the toolbar references Vader's ruthless weapon of choice against any enemies of the Empire. Awaken your dark side. I shall! A clever desk mat with built-in organization. It says quick start guide. How about that? Setting up that, unroll and lay flat. It may take up to 72 hours to completely flatten. Roll the top of the desk mat over itself, applying gentle, even pressure to speed up the process. I don't know if that's focused for you. I really hope it is. Using the document hideaway, just lift it up. Using the magnetic cable holder. Oh, okay. So you just place the cable in the desired location and slide cable holder along the toolbar to reposition. Alright. Using the toolbar, it's just putting the things there, right? Caring for the desk mat, wipe the top layer clean with a damp cloth. If soapy water is required, avoid rubbing the stitching when cleaning. Chemical cleaners are not recommended. Alright, that's pretty much it with the... So you and I are now pros at how the desk mat works. And there's another box that comes in here. It's the magnetic cable holder. And that's what it is. It keeps your cables in place and compatible with the Orbit Key desk mat. This is how it looks like. Very nice presentation though. I dropped that. And look at that, it's just a magnet. So you just, magnetize, and inside it just says, let's get organized. Okay, I shall. Let's put that off to the side for the moment. And finally, there we go, here's our desk mat. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Let's say there's a little sticker here. Are we supposed to peel that off? I'm guessing. I don't know. What's the best way to... I can't slide this off. So I'm supposed to tear the paper. I don't know! The guide didn't tell me. Alright, I'm just gonna cut it off. Speaking of which, if you might notice that my other knife is not here. That's because I do not know where it went. Somebody either took it or something. Why would someone take it, right? I don't know. Wow. Let me just throw this off to the side. Oh, look at that. There's the Imperial insignia here, and silica gel for eating later. It's a little snack when I'm hungry. So it's supposed to, I'm gonna flip it around, look like that. I'm gonna move some of these stuff aside first so that there's space to show you at least how it looks like. Check it out! So it says it's gonna take at least 72 hours, around 72 hours to lay flat down. I'm just gonna roll it the other way around first. Oh my god. Yeah, 72 hours it is. But here's how it's supposed to look like. This is pretty cool. If you see on the side here, you can pretty much lift this side up, put documents below here. There's even the Imperial insignia there as well. How do I get the focus up again? But anyway, this is the Imperial insignia there. Look at that, that's beautiful. You can put your documents below here. And for me, I'm gonna have my keyboard on this. So I'm gonna have my, this is how the cable thing looks like. So just to give an example, I'm gonna take one of the cables that we have here, put it underneath here, and that's how it's supposed to be organized. Ooh, but that's just one. But the magnet force is actually pretty good though, honestly speaking. You can actually put your, let's take a pen, put that there, look at that. That's what it's supposed to do, I guess. Put the pen there, and yeah. All right, let me go get my stuff. So it's not fully flushed yet, of course. It's still popping up, but again, it says it takes up to 72 hours. But what you're gonna do is I'm gonna have my keyboard here and my mouse, and it feels smooth as heck. Look at that! Oh my god! This is cool. This is cool. I really love this, and it fits very nicely on this desk. So yeah, that has been a quick unboxing of the Orbit Key desk mat. This one here is the Darth Vader edition, and what I have here is the medium sized one. I'm going to put some specs on the screen as well, and of course a link below in the description if you're looking to get it. I love it. Thank you so much. And that's it. That's the unboxing of the Orbit Key desk mat. Check it out. I love it. Yeah, it's so classy because it's leathery. It's still very rolly right now, but you know, I think after a few days, 72 hours, they say it should be okay. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing of this Orbit Key desk mat, Darth Vader edition. Yo, the dark side always wins. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. As always, do remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Stay awesome and stay fun. Bye!